Yo, what's up, guys? Daisy, we're gonna tell you something. You guys all know the old Animal Company, the OG, because I just downloaded the OG. If you guys want to see, I will show you I will show you the tutorial video for 40 subscribers. If you want to make sure you go subscribe, only for 40 subscribers. So you guys have to give me 40 subscribers so I can show you the tutorial, or you guys know. So let's get to the OG. Alright guys, we're in Animal Company, the OG. Look how this is the same OG. Oh man, that was a video I recorded. Alright. Look how cool it is. There's a bunch of flying bananas everywhere. Alright guys. So here we are. In the OG Animal Company. This is not even the same color. Like when you join it, like if you come back, you can become a different color. It's kind of sad. All right, let's go. Let's go and join the random, so I can get money. Okay, that's kind of weird. Did the whole entire. So I can't even buy anything because I don't have. So let's join back to my code. Okay, I'm still loading in, and the machine is gone. Okay, oh, I just loaded in. Oh, no. Alright guys, I just loaded in, so I got my watch. Look how many money I have, guys. So we could buy. Here we got the flashlight. So we're gonna go see what can we find. So let's go to the OG sewers. I haven't noticed about the OG the server. We're supposed to be a landmine. I think the game is still loading. It's like not even loading. Oh no. It's gone. Wait, what? It's like right. There's supposed to be a hole. I don't think it is. I think the OG sewers doesn't work, or is loading, or it didn't exist. I don't know, guys. Just comment below if it is. I don't know. So it's the old. That's the old sound, but they got rid of it. So we gotta join the code. Because I need to join the code. Let's join the code. 1, 2, 3, 4. Alright, we load in the game, guys. We load in the game. So let's get a flashlight, and then let's grab a backpack. We got this. So we're gonna go and go find some stuff. I think we should go to sewers first. So we're just gonna go sewers. So we will go. So let me go speed through the sewers. Alright, so wait. How can you even get inside? Alright, sorry guys. I don't think we can get in sewers. So sad. So there's the landmine. So we're gonna go find some something. So let's go to the OG forest map, and we're gonna collect some stuff we always do before the old Animal Company. So we will see you when we get here. Hi guys, we're here. I just accidentally stuck my finger. Are we good? Alright, so here we got, and then we're gonna go ahead to the oh my gosh. Sorry guys, my dog. Maggie, go away. Sorry guys, I didn't need to die. Egg, what we always do. This The OG. No, we died! Alright guys, we will see you because I'm gonna grab the grenade so we could kill them. So we're back to Chicken, so I'm gonna throw a grenade at him. Oh, yes. No. Yes, we got it! We have got the egg. I say, hey, Gabby. Alright guys, we got the egg, guys, so we're gonna go, so that's my stuff. Oh yeah, that's my stuff. Alright, so we have to collect all our stuff. Whole trophy. Alright guys. Oh, we're gonna grab the OG banana. So let's head back for the speed run. To go back. Actually, put in my. Alright guys, we're back to our we're back to our base. So let's dump it out. See how much money we collect. How much money? That's a lot of money. Alright guys, that is the end of the video. So make sure y'all guys like and subscribe. So I'll see you. So bye.